Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. So in our today's video, we will discuss about the laws related to the gases. So before the start of the topic, it is important to understand that when we have a matter, how we can observe that. For example, if we have a matter and especially it is in the gas phase, and we are going to change the temperature and pressure, these type of conditions when we are going to change, then what will be the effect on the gas? So what will be effect on the volume of the gas? It is the main thing that we have to observe. So this effect is nearly the same on all gases irrespective the nature of gas. We change the nature of the gas, but we have a look that when we change the temperature and pressure, the effect is same on all gases because the properties of gases are same. On a whole, the gas law basically describes what type of things it describes basically the uniform behavior of gases. So in laws, we will discuss the behavior of gases. That what is the behavior of gases by changing different conditions, whether temperature, pressure. So, all this behavior of gases change with the temperature and pressure. It is mainly known as the gas law. And the gas laws has been combined into four basic laws. The first one law we have, it is the Boyle's law. That is mainly about pressure and volume, and it gives the relationship P1 V1 is equal to P2 into V2. It is a product of pressure and volume. The second law we have, it is the Charles law. It is the ratio of volume to temperature. In this, we will study about the effect of temperature, and in Boyle's law, we will study about the effect of pressure on the gas. The third one law is known as the Gay-Lussac law. In this, we will study the relationship of pressure and temperature, which is the P over T. And the fourth one law, it is the Avogadro's law. Avogadro's law, it is related to the number of moles of the gas. When we change the number of moles of the gas, then what will be the effect on the volume of the gas? So it is mainly denoted as V over N. The ratio of volume to number of moles of the gas is equal to a constant value. So these are mainly the laws has been explained by different scientists. Let's have a look on the first law, that is the Boyle's law. The Boyle's law simple states that the pressure of a gas increases as its volume decreases and assuming the constant mass and temperature. So in this law, what we are going to change, we're going to change the pressure. Pressure is inversely proportional to the volume. Then how it is inversely to the volume? Because when we increase the pressure, then the volume is going to be decrease. So this is the main effect of pressure on the volume of the gas. In this picture, you can see that here the pressure is less and the volume of the gas is larger. On the other hand, when we increase the pressure or pushing down decreases the volume of the gas. Why? Because here the pressure is more and the volume is less, or it decreases due to the pressure. On the other hand, in this, by pulling up that piston, the volume increases and the pressure decreases. So here the volume is larger and the pressure is less. So this is the effect of pressure on the volume of the gas that has been explained by the Boyle's law. And the equation that we gain by removing that proportionality constant, it can be written as P is equal to K over V. And the value of proportionality constant we gain is equal to K P into V. It is the product of pressure and volume, which is equal to a constant value. So this is the simple Boyle's law that has been explained the relationship between pressure and volume. Then we have the Jar's law, the law that is related to the relationship between volume and temperature. So it states that the volume of the gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature. So the simple relationship is the volume is directly proportional to the temperature. So when there is a direct relation between two terms, it simply means that when we increase the temperature, the volume also increases, and when we decrease the temperature, the volume also decreases. Assuming that the other quantity of the gas or the number of moles of the gas and the pressure remains constant. So the things that we have to keep constant over there, it is the pressure and number of moles of the gas. These must kept constant. Then the temperature will have its effect on the volume of the gas, that is in a direct way. In this picture you can see that when the temperature is low, here we fill the balloon with the gas. So its volume is less. But on the other hand, when we increase the temperature, then the volume of the gas increases and that balloon expanded in a regular manner. So this is the simple effect of temperature on the volume of gas. Now, by solving this mathematical form, when V is directly proportional to T, so by removing this, V is equal to K into T, and we just gain the value of K is equal to V over T, which is the ratio of volume to temperature. So here we have the direct relation between volume and temperature. When we are going to increase the volume, so it's mean we are going to increase the temperature. Now there is a reason behind why the volume increases when we increase the temperature. As the gas molecules are in random motion, the reason is that they are in random motion, and when we increase the temperature, a specific type of energy, that energy is known as kinetic energy, it increases. When it increases, then the molecules of or the particles of the gas move more fastly or randomly. Then they strike with the walls of the container and with one another. On the increase of the kinetic energy, they started to expand. As the expansion of the gases is the main property, so they started to expand and they fills the more space, in turn their volume increases. So this is the simple relationship between the volume of the gas and the temperature and the volume of the gas and the pressure. I hope you guys understand about these two laws. That was very simple, and if you have any queries, you may ask me about that. In the next topic, we will discuss about the experimental verification of the Boyle's law in detail. For that time, you guys have a good day and Allah Hafiz.